Shown in the video is a heat and AC control out of a Freightliner Cascadia we received for repair from one of our many truck customers. This module had severe corrosion issues and did nothing in the truck, so the driver was getting pretty chilly in the winter and sizzled up in the summer. We rebuilt this module and developed a full test for this unit as shown in the video. This controller is not just a resistor, but a complex CAN bus device that converts the position of the temp and fan into a digital display, which we are showing on the monitor behind. So, if you're getting too hot or cold, don't sweat it. Send your controls to us at ERD. We've got you covered.